Hello, welcome back. I'll start with the usual disclaimer as always. Nothing here is for sale. There are no courses, nothing is monetized, no ads on YouTube, no links despite the Discord. But that's it. It's not a sales Discord or anything. There's nothing to buy there. And that's it. Should find a way to just get a one-liner in, just boom, disclaimer. Nothing for sale. So I don't have to go on a rant every time I start a video. Anyways, on the news, it's the same shit that really matters. Tariffs and more tariffs. However, something interesting though is Trump's dissatisfaction with Powell and asking if he should fire Powell. Firing Powell would be a huge move financially. It would affect the markets hugely. And I don't know what would happen, honestly. Because if he just fired Powell, right? And then no fucks increases tariffs even more, goes to trade wars with China next month, or not even that long. And then he lowers interest rates with inflationary tariffs. Like, what the fuck? You're gonna get super high inflation then. So I don't know how the market's gonna react to that. But I do see volatility value in it though. Volatility value is ranging, which is good. It's bad for the economy, but it's good for ranging. It's bad for the economy because why would you lower interest rates when inflation is elevated and tariffs are going up? I don't know. Anyways, still in these two trades right here. This one has developed quite nicely. If you're in it, I would get your sell loss down. Start moving it down to break even, preferably, or half a point. Doesn't matter that much. This one materialized right up, down again, up again, and now we're here. So we'll see what happens. It's hitting the 200 MA on the 12 hour, but I ignore that. My quote broke, so it doesn't go away on the 12 hour anymore. I look at it on the 1 day, and it's not there on the 1 day. Anyway, that materialized as well, so we'll see. And I've already gone through the whole list, and there was nothing besides these two pairs, which could be very interesting breakouts. But again, I'm looking at the 200 MA over here. Scary. With some big market movers, it could be interesting. But TA wise, nah. So I have to see with this one. This one though looks better. It's not really trending anywhere. It has been downtrending, but now it's going sideways to get ranging. This could be a potential classic reversal or a breakthrough. A breakthrough would be a bit harder because of how high it went previously. But we'll see. It's a nice range. It's a very nice range. Yeah. And it has been ranging at this level before. It had a high period. I don't know what exactly happened here for USD CAD. Probably some fucking tariffs. Anyways, bringing home more some of this point mentioned earlier here, it would be really interesting to see how, or it is going to be really interesting to see how all of this plays out. Because you have inflationary tariffs, and then Trump wants to cut rates with elevated inflation rates. So inflation will go even higher. They would put in more tariffs, and they would get even higher. Like what? What the fuck? How are we volatile? Could be a good time to buy SPY. Not right now, but could foresee a drop. Get some low average price in. If you're already holding SPY, could be a chance to lower your average price. But generally, though, when I say things like that, also want to say that time in the market generally beats everything when you're holding stocks. If you're holding a stock index, like for example VTI for Vanguard, it's better to just average it monthly, and you'll have the average price of this. You'll basically be the 200 MA, your average price, or it will be less and less profound as you get a higher deposit. Anyways, not too much going on in the market. If you're in on these, again, bring your sell loss down a little bit on this one, and do nothing with this one. Just see how it plays out. And I'll keep you updated on these potentials. I'll post them in the Discord if something happens. I'll post them in the Discord now as well after the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you.